for your English class. I am Mr. Arul Tiwari in front of you, and I am ready to teach you the rest part of this story. It means the story name, A Trump of Surgery. Just we have know before that Mr. Pumphrey had a dog, and it was a greedy dog, and always his mistress tried to make him so fat. So he provided him too much food, eggs, and wine also. One day, just we have known before that he stretched his feet 4 direction, and he was taken to the doctor, and after examining, the doctor advised Mr. Pumphrey to took the dog in the surgery. And what happened after that? We have to read now. The doctor started his treatment by taking him in the group of the other dogs. In the surgery room, there was a clean sheet, and among the dogs also Tricky was set. And 2 days the doctor left him without food, without providing food, only water, extra water. He drank too much water, and then after the doctor started his little dose. 2 or 3 days after, when the food was served among the all dogs, after cleaning his plate, Tricky wanted to share the other dog's plate. So the doctor separated his plate by one side, one corner. And in this way, dose by dose, day by day, he was improved. And at the meantime, Mistress Pumphrey phoned the doctor, "How is my Tricky? Is he well or not? I want to take it with me." And at last, the doctor allowed her to come and see how her Tricky was. When Mr. Pumphrey went there, he found Tricky so well. He was moving throughout the garden. He was sharing by the other dogs also. And at last, when Tricky saw her, Tricky all at the time recognized her mistress. He ran forward her, and Mr. Pumphrey stretched her hand, and in the meantime, Tricky came into the lap of her mistress. Both began to shed the tears, and the doctor looked it carefully. What? There was a true love for the animals, and what was a close relation between Tricky and his mistress. Here, the story tells us that we should also take care on the pet animals and share our love with him or her. In this way, we should take care on our pet animals. If he or her and showed our love on them. This is the story of this lesson. This is the central idea of this lesson. In this way, this lesson is finished, and you will read it carefully and do your work at home. Thank you.